Let's check out DJI's latest action camera, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Very, very keen to see how this whole system works. We can see down the bottom here, it is the Adventure combo. It comes with an extension rod, comes with 3 batteries, and comes with the battery case. We can see it says Action 5 Pro. Very, very nice. And so this is how we open it up. So let's just remove the plastic. Oof. Why is that so satisfying? And then from there we have this little strip that we pull straight off like so. And then from here we can open it up. And they have done a great job with this. I remember previous unboxings I did, they literally put it into their own little compartment. So let's just take them out of their little sections and we will have a look at how this all comes. So we get the extension rod, I think they refer to it as. Yep, the extension rod here. Looks very clean. We've then got the accessories, as you can see there, and we have got the Osmo Action 5 Pro. So let's get into that first, because that's the reason we're here, right? So as we open this up, don't know whether all of the batteries will be in here. Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got the Osmo Action 5 Pro. First things first. Let's have a look. Oh yes, very, very nice. Let's take that off. Ooh, gorgeous. So it's a field of view of 155 degrees. It's a 1/1.3 inch sensor, and it's a fixed aperture of f2.8. Impressive stuff. Action 5 Pro. They got Pro on the side. They've got DJI. We've got the little mounting section here. As we release this, that's where the micro SD goes, and that's where the battery goes as well. Simple system. On this side we've got the power button, and we've got the option to use the USB-C just on that side there. So nice and simple there. On top we've got a record button. We've got a gorgeous display on the front here and a gorgeous display on the back. So that's everything in there. Let's have a look at what else we get in here. I have no idea what to expect from this. Let's have a look. So this looks like it might be... Okay, so this is the different mounting options that we have. By the looks of things, we get a cage, and so this cage allows us to also mount in portrait as well as landscape. So you can see the little mounting option there. So you can either mount it just like this normally, or if you want that portrait look like so, then you can use this case here as an additional option. So that's that. What else have we got? Let's have a look. So we've got a few little screws here by the looks of things. Yep, so 2 screws. And then here we have got an adhesive by the looks of it. There we go. And so that's everything we get in there. So we've got an adhesive mount, which is kind of a curved mount, which is interesting. That could mount onto all sorts of things. We get the screws, which will obviously just go into all these different mounts that are available on the market. These things, whatever they are, and then that's the main magnetic mount that you get with it. It says DJI on the front, and so all you do for this is it is magnetic, so it clips into place like so, and then it's got the additional click once you push down. As it clicks into place, that's now nice and secure. To release it, you release the 2 side pieces and then pull it away from the magnet. And like I was saying before, you can mount it onto this system here. I think it goes this way. And release the 2 sides, clips into place, and now that allows us to mount the camera that way. Or if you want it the other way, once it's in here, obviously there's a spare spot here, so you can just mount it normally. So it can either go that way, or it can go horizontally like that as well. So there's a few options there, very nice. I like that. Let's just get rid of that box. And then looking at the accessories box, this is where we're going to get batteries, cables, all sorts of fun stuff. So as we open this up, we've got some paperwork here, which is always very nice. We get the cable here, which is a USB-C to USB-C. And we do get, by the looks of it, another mount. Okay. Not mad about having 2 mounts, why not? Are they the same size? Yep. They are, by the looks of it, the exact same. You just get 2 of them in this combo. So there we go, we get those 2 mounts. USB-C to USB-C. Got all the paperwork and whatnot. And then let's have a look at this charging hub. The charging hubs are always very nice from DJI. Oh, that feels extremely nice. Love that. You can see there's just a USB-C on the side there, so that's how you can charge it up with this cable. And then as we open it up, ooh, 1950 milliamp hours, 1950 milliamp hours. So we're going to get some awesome juice out of this guy here. Plugs in like so, just slots into place, that closes, and that's how you can store the batteries, charge the batteries. You would obviously remove that, open up on here, and then just, oh, definitely don't do that. Drop it into place, and it's that simple. Now we've got a battery in there, that simple, to just connect it up. And then the only other thing we've got here is the extension rod. So let's see this. Don't know if I'm going to be able to keep the extension rod in the frame. Oh, that feels very, very heavy duty. I believe that this is just something we need to remove. Oh yes, love that. The grip feels great. Obviously you can connect this on top and then mount magnetically or however you need to mount it. So that's how it comes. There is a 1/4" screw on the base there. There's a little section there to put a lanyard or something else, some sort of rope through here. And then you can literally pull it out like so. Oh, it's way too long to stay in the frame. It's huge, this extension rod. Huge. Wow, that's awesome. So that's the kit. That's what you get with the Osmo Action 5 Pro from DJI. This is really cool.